Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to block phishing emails from Microsoft Office 365. As an admin, you can block any phishing emails from your organization very easily. First, go to the admin panel from any browser through the admin login using username and password. I already logged into the panel. There, you are watching the welcome panel of admin. Just search rules on the upper middle search box. Now, you see there is an Exchange navigation icon. On the other way, you can find an Exchange on the left pane. Click Show All and click Exchange. Here, you can see your organization's users and their email addresses. Go to the left pane and click Mail Flow. And click Rules. You see there are 3 rules already added, and I am going to show you how to add another rule. Now, we will check what types of phishing emails have come to the users over the last several days. There, I added some examples of the sender emails that came to the specific email addresses. I am going to block all those email addresses by finding a common prefix or postfix. Now, check those sender email addresses. There, find which portion of the email address is common or matched with other email addresses. You can find easily the prefix or postfix portion of the emails that is common in every email address. You do not need to copy all the email addresses. Just copy the common portion from any of the email addresses. Now go to the Rules page and click Add New Rules. Give a name of the rules. I am giving a name that blocks emails. Now click the option to apply this rule and select the sender. Now the next box, click Address, includes any of those words. Here, you have to add the common words that you find from those email addresses. No, I pasted the copied portion. Click Add and Save. You can now see your pasted words here. Now click the option of Do the Following and select Block the Message. On the next box, click Delete the message without notifying anyone. Click on Next. You can select Severity as High. Below that you can select the time and date from where the rule will start working. If you want to start the rule now, don't click anywhere. Click Next to continue. You can check that you did. Click Finish. Your assigned rule is saving. You see the rule has been added, but it shows disabled. To make it enable, click on the rule and make it enable. Now, wait a moment. Your rule is applied successfully. You have blocked all of the phishing emails. Thank you for watching the video.